Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm sharing a very delicious and comfort food. I'm going to make a dal khichdi recipe today. It's very easy to make and it's super healthy. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious and yummy dal khichdi. 1 cup of masoor dal and 2 cups of basmati rice. 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, few green chilies, few curry leaves and 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and quarter teaspoon of hing. 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and some salt to taste and some pure ghee. Alright, I've washed and soaked the dal for 15 minutes. Heat a pressure cooker, add oil to it. Into the oil, I'm going to add pure ghee. Now we'll add the cumin seeds, bay leaf, curry leaves, and we'll add the onions. Saute the onions till they're soft. Our onion is nice and soft now. So now add the hing. Mix it. Add the tomatoes, green chilies. Give it a nice mix. Add the turmeric powder. Mix it very nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add salt according to your taste. Give it a mix. Now add the rice and dal. Give it a quick mix. Now add water. I'm adding 1 liter of water. You mix it nicely. Put the lid on. So I'm going to take 2 whistles and our khichdi will be all done. I've taken 2 whistles and the pressure is all out. So now let's check our khichdi. Alright, it looks amazing. Get this. Alright guys, one more thing I would like to tell you that when I added the tomato, at that time I also added the ginger and garlic paste. I'm so sorry my camera was not on. I could not shoot that. So while you're sauteing the tomatoes and the turmeric powder, please add in the ginger and garlic paste, okay? So this looks absolutely delicious, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water and mash it. Alright, I've put the flame on and I'm adding some water. This is around 1 glass of water. Okay, So just give it a nice mix. And our dal khichdi is all done. If you want, you can keep it thick or thin. I prefer it making thin because when you serve it and while eating, at that time it gets very dry. So make sure you just make it a little thinner. And I'm going to remove this bay leaf from this. Alright. Khichdi is all done. Pour in some ghee or butter if you like. Switch off the flame. Add in some freshly chopped coriander. So our khichdi is all done. So do try it and let me know how it came out. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.